If you're looking for the best budget action camera, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 Most Popular Y4K Action and Sports Camera. It's no secret that Y are GoPro's biggest competitor, with the image quality of the Y4K Plus often being directly compared to the GoPro Hero series. The 4K Plus's younger brother, the Y4K, can often be picked up for less than $100. With 4K at 30 FPS recording, the ability to capture 12 MP raw stills with EIS and a nice scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass 2.2-inch touchscreen display, the Y4K is a very solid action camera. However, the overall package is a little bit expensive for what it is. It doesn't feature an accessory pack, whereas most budget action cameras do. Number 2 GoPro Hero 7 Black with Shorty SD card and rechargeable battery. GoPro is synonymous with action cameras, and for good reason. The company has always been the first to implement new features, better cameras, and better designs, leading the competition to always play catch-up. GoPro's latest flagship model, the Hero 7 Black, continues that tradition, building on the Hero 6's design. Waterproof to 33 feet, rear 2-inch color touchscreen LCD voice control, the Hero 7 adds 4K video at 60 FPS and improved image stabilization that made all our footage look super smooth. Plus, it can live stream to Facebook using the GoPro app. Once again, GoPro has made the best action camera you can get. Number 3 APEMAN Native 4K Action Camera TRAWO with 4K EIS. One of the cheapest native 4K action cameras you can find, the APEMAN TRAWO does everything you need to start recording high-quality video with electronic image stabilization. Previously, it won up the AKASO V50 with its bigger 1350 mAh batteries, which gave it its superior battery life. However, the V50X now also features 1350 mAh batteries, which nullifies that advantage. Both can continuously record for an impressive 180 minutes at 1080p. Compared to the AKASO V50X, its f1.8 lens and Panasonic image sensor allows it to capture higher resolution 20MP still images, but personally I don't care much if my action camera takes 12MP or 20MP photos. It's also slightly cheaper. Number 4 DJI Osmo Action Cam digital camera with 2 displays, 11-meter waterproof 4K HDR. The Osmo Action has a color screen on its front, which makes it much easier to frame yourself in photos and video. This durable camera also has very good electronic image stabilization, and it also can shoot HDR video. Unfortunately, you can't use HDR and image stabilization at the same time. There's no way to live stream video from the camera. Still, for selfie enthusiasts, the front-facing camera alone can be worth the price. Creative shooting modes, diverse shooting functions enable you to perfectly capture on-the-fly moments. 8x slow motion, capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail when you use the 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 FPS. Number 5 AKASO V50X Native 4K 30 FPS Wi-Fi Action Camera. AKASO is becoming one of the biggest names in the budget action camera market. The V50 is their flagship camera line and the only one to boast 4K 30 FPS recording. Released in July 2019, the AKASO V50X is the upgraded V50. In specs, however, it's much more comparable to the older V50 Pro than the V50. Like the V50 Pro, it features a 2-inch IPS touchscreen, adjustable viewing angle, and Wi-Fi and gyroscope. The 12MP sonar sensor produces amazing daylight footage and acceptable nighttime video recordings. No action camera can produce great nighttime footage because the sensors are so small. The ability to record up to 170-degree wide angle means you also won't miss anything in your shots. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.